aboard! Surprise, surprise! Today's workout video is a very interesting one to get rid of all your unwanted body fat. Yes, it is possible. Though it must have taken you years to accumulate all the fat, it can melt away with a simple, easy home workout which I will be teaching you today. It is the sound of birds chirping to brighten me up, and I hope it brightens you up too. So this workout has been designed for beginners per se. People who are highly obese, who have a problem, say recovering from an injury, and they could be of any age group. It's an easy workout for you to do. Let's start with the warm-up. Put your hands together and your legs. You're going to put your neck up and down like this. Make it stretch. It's an easy 1-minute workout which you can do anytime, anywhere. The thing about this 10-minute easy home workout is that you can actually do it anywhere. You don't even need so much space. I'm here out in the open today, but if you wish, you can even do it in the comfort of your home and just see the change. All you need is about 10 minutes a day. Some people even prefer it twice a day. So why not get your dream body, achieve all that you have desired for the longest period of time, and I'm sure with this workout, you will achieve all of that. So I'm just rolling my arms back and forth, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now it's time to stretch our arms, our shoulders, and we're good to go. Let's start with the first exercise. It's an easy sideway bend where you actually have to keep your arms straight, no bending, and you can bend sideways as much as you can easily. Please don't force yourself or land up in pain or injury, because this is an easy workout. It's just going to make you feel so comfortable and good about yourself that you would want to do this workout again and again every single day. So this is actually going to help us get rid of the side fat, which is often known as the stubborn fat. Also a suggestion here for all those who are looking to lose a lot of weight. The first rule, you have to drink up a lot of water, say about 3 to 4 liters a day. Did you know our body is actually made up of 70% of water? That means if we drink enough water, we will keep ourselves hydrated and won't even feel hungry or have hunger pangs at the wrong time. Moving on with the next exercise, it's all about touching your elbows with your knee. So we're going to do diagonal. As you can see, this is very good, not just for your lower body, but also for your arms. A lot of arm bulge which people have often, which is so annoying. You can't even wear your favorite clothes. So as you can see, this is a beginner level workout, so I'm actually not doing it at a very fast pace. So suit yourself. If you think this speed is good enough for you, then please continue at this speed. But if you feel you can take it faster, why not? Take it a notch higher. Now moving on to the next one. Legs same width apart as the earlier two exercises. We're going to bend forward and touch our toes. This is super easy and super effective. So for all those who cannot bend all the way down, I suggest you touch your knees. Just like this. So it's all about moving on gradually from level 1 to level 2, 3, 4. Take it a notch higher every time. But please be comfortable when you do this. So I want you to do it every single day, so you don't give up at all. The key is persistence. For the next exercise, we are going to bend our toe to the side. This one will be pointing in front, and we are going to stretch our arms and come forward. This is a very easy and effective thigh workout. Try and hold it at this position and then come back. Keep your breathing normal. No bending your elbows. You can make this workout as exciting as you wish. Just keep counting. Now it's time to do the next leg. So the distance between your legs is actually going to depend on your own comfort. If you want to keep it too wide apart, I suggest don't, because you just might hurt yourself. This is the perfect distance where your legs are actually parallel to each other and they are just a little wider than your shoulder width apart. So this is a very good stretch for your inner thighs. And you know the cellulite which often embarrasses you and you can't even fit into your favorite clothes? This exercise is very effective for that. So we just did a side lunge, now we're going to do a backward lunge, which is so easy. You're going to bend forward, but with one knee at the back. Go slow so that your distance between both the knees is stable. Now I'm going to bring in some hand movement along with this. We're going to make a big O, like this. It's so easy and very interesting. This is a no jumping workout, so any age group can actually enjoy this workout. It's very exciting. So if you just denote about 10 minutes a day to yourself, you will see wonders happen to your body. Just make sure that you eat healthy, stay hydrated. So all you actually have to do is take out 10 minutes a day and you will actually see a lot of change in your body. Not just body, mentally also you will feel de-stressed. The blood circulation in your body is going to be so good after any form of exercise that you will feel rejuvenated and you will never feel lazy. I like to do it a little bit faster. So can you. Moving on to the next exercise. So this is a chest, arm and leg workout. So easy and so effective. It's also targeting your glutes, your hamstrings. Just make sure you don't droop your arms. Your elbows should be up. And take your hands as back as you can. But make sure to keep your spine straight. Don't go like this. This is wrong. I want you to keep your spine straight, your back straight, and then do it. Moving on to the next exercise. So the last exercise is very easy. All you have to do is keep your legs shoulder width apart and you have to go like this and touch your hand with your knee and up. Then lift your leg. So, like this and up and up. Your back fat, your side fat, your lower tummy fat, your leg fat. It's actually going to be very helpful for complete full body workout. Easy and effective. Let's do the other side as well. Let's do the other side as well. I'm sure you've enjoyed all these exercises and promise to do it every single day. If you've enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to let me know in the comment section which exercise was your favorite. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you again with many more exciting videos very soon.